Hello everyone. Let me introduce my mother. Her name is Iha Soliha and she is 64 years old. She works as a farmer in her hometown. She is living in Tasikmalaya, West Java, Indonesia. My mother loves raising chicken and freshwater fish and cooking snacks, namely pet food, to sell in her spare time. She is Indonesian and comes from the Sundanese ethnic group. She is very kind and loving person. I'm very proud to have her as my mother. Thank you for listening.